So my son's food came, and I thought I would do something a little different. I think I've done this once before, though. And show you what I bought. Remember, it's all food that I'm going to eat, so it's food I'm eating in lieu of food I buy at the supermarket. You know, it's not extra money I'm spending or whatnot. But, I did buy a couple of treats for myself. So I'm going to show you what I bought and what it cost. I also got a $22 discount because I had points. I got points for writing reviews. I get 25 points per review. You write a review on anything that you purchase, and you say how you felt about it. Usually I like everything I get from Sun Food. And I also got a 10% discount because I had stuff sitting in my thing. Anyway, we have, these are absolutely delicious. When I tried these dates, I realized the difference between these and just regular old dates you buy in the store or something. These are neglect nor dates. Who's focused?